Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW i435 in fire red. This i4 comes with the M Sport Pro package, coming with the 20-inch diamond cut alloys with the red brake calipers, the BMW adaptive LED headlights in Shadowline, as well as the iconic BMW kidney grille. And also, because it's the Shadowline, we have the black trims all around the car, privacy windows and automatic open and close boot with plenty of storage here as well as below for all the cables. This boot automatically closes on the key as well as on the door. Coming towards the back seats, you can see these black leather seats with the M Sport Pro stitching on the seat belts, ISOFIT child security system on both seats, some climate control with two vents and storage on the sides, as well as an armrest on the center. Coming towards the front seats, we can see this black leather M Sport Pro steering wheel with the black leather seats, as well as M Sport Pro on the door and the stitching on the front. On the steering wheel we can see our cruise controls, as well as the media controls and settings, the M Sport Pro on the steering wheel, as well as the digital cluster. Towards the center you can control all of our media, navigation, and this car also comes with review camera, park assist and reversing assistant. On the cabin controls we can see our fully automatic climate controls with heated seats on both sides, and also this car comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Towards the center console we can see our two cup holders, a place to put your phone, a fully automatic transmission. You can control all of our media, navigation, as well. You can see plenty of storage on the center as well as in both doors. And in the doors we can control all of our full automatic open and close mirrors and automatic windows all around our car. This M Sport Pro i4 is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. All of our BMW approved used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. Thank you so much. My name is Tomas and have a great day.